Hi, this is Saranam from Akshaya Commodities. We start with international gold levels. Overall, the fundamental remains positive for both gold and silver, especially for gold as an alternative investment. The prices went up sharply from $12.80 to nearly to $13.25. Now it's trading range bound between $13.05 to $13.25. We can expect prices to trade positive until it holds above $13.05 to test the resistance levels of $13.30. More positive could have come above $13.13 to test up to $13.50. So we remain positive for international gold levels. MCX gold today, it's holding upside due to INR weakening. The prices for last 3 days is trading around 27,600 levels to 27,700 to 750 levels. More slight weakness can be seen below 27,600. Not for a big target, maybe could test around 27,500 levels. Overall, the commodity looks positive. Again, we can expect prices to test up to 27,900 to 28,000 levels. Silver also went up sharply, more than a dollar, from 19.4 straight to $21.1. But yesterday it not closed above $21. Today it is trading mild weak to test to trading around 20.7, which is a very strong resistance. Prices if holds about 20.6 to 20.7, again we can expect prices to trade positive till 21.1. A close about $21 can see prices testing of 21.5, even up to $22 for short term. While in MCX, for this week it is trading around 44,000 to 44,800 levels. Overall, the trend looks positive. The prices is holding above still 44,000 levels. It could take some support around these levels and could again rebound to 44,600 to 45,000 levels. Prices next downside can be seen only below 43,800, supported by international silver. On to base metals. Copper is trading sideways to upper around the strong levels of 416 to 420 levels. Prices tested 420 levels many days even in the past, but prices not able to close above the very strong resistance levels of 420. The prices, a break and hold above 420 can take prices to a sharp upside to 425 to 430 levels. Overall, now the commodity could trade around 416 to 420 levels. Nickel also trading highly range bound, no clear direction seen. For this week it is trading mild down. Overall, the trading range can be seen before 1,100 to 1,130 levels. Currently it is trading mild weak and consolidating around 1,090. A break below 1,085 can take prices to a short term target of 1,070 to 1,055. No much momentum or clear direction seen in nickel. Lead prices holding strong among commodities, especially a break and hold above 130 can take prices till 131 to 132 levels, with the support seen around 129. Zinc also holding positive. Yesterday it has volatile moves between 130 to 132 levels. Strong support is seen around 129.80 levels. Overall, it could move positive above 131 to take resistance around 133 levels, which is a very strong historical resistance. Aluminum also holding positive, but the trading range is limited to 111 to 113 levels. Prices holds positive for today on a hold of 112, could test up to 114 levels before the next move. Move on to energy sectors. Crude oil is overall trading positive due to fundamental news. Prices is now trading highly range bound with volatile between 6370 to 6470 levels, ups and downs. But we can expect prices to test the resistance of 6550 levels shortly, maybe in today or tomorrow, before the next move. Overall, the fundamentals also looks positive. Only weakness could come below 6350, else it could test 6550. More positive above 6550 to test up to 6700 levels also, supported by fundamentals. Natural gas is trading high volatile for almost 20 rupees, trading from 268 levels to 290 levels due to demand and fundamental factors. Currently prices, after a sharp drop from 289 levels to 267, straight away prices is rebounded yesterday with a profit booking around 267 to 274. Now prices can be, the trading levels can be seen around 267 to 274 levels only. A hold about 274 can take prices to a next upside resistance of 278. Otherwise we can expect again prices to drop to 267 levels. That's all from today. For more, visit our website akshayashiv.com. Thank you.